Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Prestige Pine Forest, which is located in ECC Main Road, Whitefield, Bangalore, a project by Prestige Group. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external both, parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan with the current construction status and the position of the project. But before everything, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So here comes the land parcel. This is the land parcel of the Prestige Pine Forest where the construction work is going on. And about the marketing office is exactly in the opposite side of the land parcel. So here is the marketing office of the project. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. But you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this is total 9 acre of land parcel where they are coming up with 4 towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 15 and 16 floors. And here you'll be getting an exclusive 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus studio and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located on ECC Main Road in Whitefield, Bangalore. So this is the ECC Main Road, and this road over this side will connect you towards the Whitefield Main Road. And on the opposite side, that is towards my back, will connect you towards Nallur Main Road. And you can reach Forum Mall in 2 minutes from the project, Bagbane Tech Park in 5 kilometers of the project, and Kadugodi Tree Park metro station in just 900 meters from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, luxury finishing with marble flooring, home automation with video phone, CP sanitary fittings and many more. Now coming to the external amenities, so as you can check out in the miniature, here is the football ground with the garden area. Here comes the cricket pitch with multi-purpose court, basketball court, and the grand clubhouse with rooftop amenities and many more amenities in this project. Now about the parking provision. So this project provides you one type of car parking, and that is the basement level. Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Prestige Pine Forest. As you can see in the image, this project consists of 4 towers which are placed apart from each other, giving you full privacy. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plans. This is the typical floor plan of Tower 1, having 4 flats per floor, 3 lifts, 2 staircases, and here all the flats are of 3 BHK plus maid room residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK plus maid room, 2796 square feet. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK plus maid room, 3556 square feet super built up area. Now the most interesting part, that is the current construction status of the project. So you can check out the whole land parcel just behind me. And let me tell you that this part of the land parcel, the excavation work is completed, that is a 10% work is completed, and over this side the work will start very soon. Now let's talk about the possession part. So the possession of the project is December 2028. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project, that is Prestige Pine Forest, located in ECC Main Road, Whitefield, Bangalore, a project by Prestige Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.